We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Yoeyang Cordless Portable Pressure Washer. Consists of the following features. Ultra lightweight handheld design, easy one-hand control. Weighing just 1.26 pounds, this mini handheld pressure washer is easy to lift, aim, and control with one hand. Perfect for women, seniors, and first-time users who want real cleaning power without heavy equipment. 1160 psi portable power, strong but controlled cleaning. This portable power washer delivers up to 1160 psi, ideal for removing dirt, mud, pollen, and grime from cars, bikes, patios, windows, fences, and outdoor furniture, powerful yet safe for daily home use. Battery-powered and cordless freedom, clean anywhere. Includes 2 rechargeable lithium batteries, 2000 plus 4000 mAh, for extended runtime. As a cordless pressure washer, it works without outlets, hoses, or generators, great for outdoor cleaning, camping, RV trips, and emergencies. 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle plus foam cannon. Switch between 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, fan spray and shower mode to match different tasks. The included foam sprayer creates thick, even suds, making this handheld power washer ideal for car washing and detailing. Self-priming from any water source. Use the 16.4 feet hose with filter to draw water from buckets, lakes, rain barrels, or bottles. This small portable pressure washer requires no fixed faucet, perfect for patios, gardens, and off-grid cleaning. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.